Dorothy's been thinking about birds too, right, Dorothy? Yeah, and Dorothy has a question. What do birds sound like? Oh, good question, Dorothy. Let's ask Mr. Noodle. Mr. Noodle! The shirt is trying to fly like the blue jay. Oh, thanks, blue jay. Fly up, shirt. Thank you. Oh, look! It's Mr. Noodle's brother, Mr. Noodle. Hi, Mr. Noodle. Well, what's Mr. Noodle doing up there? Mr. Noodle is upside down. Come down, Mr. Noodle. Dorothy has a question. Are you okay, Mr. Noodle? Oh, that's good. So is Mr. Noodle ready for Dorothy's question? Good. Mr. Noodle, what do birds sound like?
What do birds sound like, Mr. Noodle?